Hello students, please subscribe the channel, drop a like, share and comment. This is exercise number 7 and 8 of the Progressive Monthly Magazine, November 2022 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Sir, I am very happy that my colleague has brought this resolution on the formation of National Security Council and I fully support it. There has always been the need for defense debates, and even from that point of view, I welcome this particular resolution. Defense, unfortunately, has not been discussed enough in this country. That is the main reason why all our policies have been lopsided right from the inception. I, being a member of the armed forces, and my friend have been there, and we used to watch helplessly when correct perspectives were put forward by our respective chief, whether it was the army chief or the naval chief or the air force chief. The defense ministry have been dilly-dallying. A glaring example of this is the Jaguar deal. In 1972, after the Chief of Air Staff, after much discussion, put forward this proposal. But we saw how they have been dilly-dallying about it, and we went in for it when the British Airspace Company was disbanded in 1978. If we had purchased it in 1972, the cost of the Jaguar would have been rupees 1.5 crores. Finally, we brought it at a cost of rupees 10 lakhs in 1978, and that too when the aircraft was getting slightly obsolete. So, discussions on defense, I think, is a good thing. Our defense ministry has been the most secretive ministry in the world. They have always kept away from the country and from parliament about the things which the country should know, which the country should discuss, and which the country should debate. We have been putting many questions on the armed forces in this house. I have been asking very simple questions like the replacement of transport aircraft, etc. But the reply which I got from the Defense Ministry was, I am directed to inform you that the question has been disallowed on grounds of secrecy. What is so secret? Secrets are the war plans when your army has to move from one place to another during wartime. But these days are of satellites. Satellites are going around the world. All our defense establishments are photographed. All your material is in the defense magazines of the world. It is not secret. We would like to participate. Rupees 6,000 crores are spent on defense annually. In the sixth 5-year plan, probably about rupees 30,000 crores are to go. Out of these rupees 30,000 crores, rupees 10,000 crores is going to be probably on the import of the equipment. Are we not going to discuss it? Are we going in for Jaguars or Mirages? Or are we going to have a long-term policy? I would like to place on the table of the house today a book brought out, I do not know by whom, on the Indian Air Force on the occasion of its Golden Jubilee. The Chief of Air Staff has given the foreword to it. It has advertisements of Jaguars on its front and back pages. It has an aircraft advertisement on the first page. It shows various forces. It shows pulls and pressures which the Indian Air Force and the Defense Ministry are going through every day. But what I want to say is that this book contains, as per the Defense Ministry, a lot of secrets. This book says that there are so many helicopters, so many missile squadrons. This book is giving an account of which squadron is where. There are photographs of our airfields in India. There are photographs of our aircrafts. I would like you to see this book. These are all supposed to be secret documents. They have been compiled. I want to go to some other topics. So I am not going to speak about it now. But I am placing it on the table of the house. After recess, I shall take on this matter in detail. I would like to say that rupees 6,000 crores budget will be spent this year. 3 years back, our budget was rupees 3,600 crores and now it is rupees 6,000 crores, which means the budget has gone up by nearly 50% in the last 3 years. It is a welcome thing and it is required. But what I am saying is that in spite of the money going up double fold, the money which should go towards the armed forces service conditions is not going there. What we require today is the consolidation of the armed forces. We are buying the equipment at a fast rate, but there is no consolidation. With this money, I think our first task should be the consolidation. In our bases, our members in the armed forces are not happy. Hardly 10% have got accommodation. Let us put our money in this area. This is where it is required most. Let us analyze our defense budget of rupees 600 crores.